Grab whatever's laying around your workbench right now and try to cut a piece of trim with it. Can't do it clean, right? That's exactly why oscillating tools exist. And today I'm ranking the 5 best options you can buy. Let's get started with the countdown. Number 5. AVID Power Oscillating Multi-Tool. This one's the entry-level pick, plain and simple. It's corded, it's light, and it gets basic drywall or trim cuts done. But the variable speed dial feels mushy, and the blade clamp isn't tool-free on every accessory. If you're doing one project a year, it'll survive. If you're in and out of walls every week, you'll outgrow it fast. Number 4. Dremel Multimax Oscillating Toolkit. Dremel built its name on precision, and you feel that here. The quick lock accessory change is genuinely fast. No wrench, no fumbling. Where it loses points is power under load. Push it into thick hardwood or old nail-filled trim, and it bogs down. Great for detail work, not your daily demo tool. Number 3. Makita LXT Cordless Multi-Tool. Now we're cordless, and now we're serious. Makita's LXT battery platform is one of the smoothest running out there, low vibration, comfortable in the hand for long sessions. The oscillation angle is solid at 3.2 degrees, which means cleaner cuts with less tear out. My only knock is that you will need to buy a battery and charger separately if you don't have them already. Number 2. Milwaukee Fuel Brushless Multi-Tool. This is where things get serious. Brushless motor, fuel platform, and a 3.4-degree oscillation angle that chews through material other tools can't. The tool-free accessory system is fast, and Milwaukee's one-key compatibility lets you track and tune performance right from your phone. If you're already running M18 batteries, this is close to a no-brainer. Number 1. DEWALT Max XR Oscillating Toolkit. Top of the list, and for good reason. This kit gives you 3 speed settings, a variable oscillation angle you can adjust mid-project, and a universal accessory adapter that lets you run bits from other brands without buying a whole new set. That flexibility alone saves you money over time. Add in DEWALT's brushless motor efficiency, and you get more cuts per charge than almost anything else on this list. Whether it's flush cuts, grout removal, or scraping adhesive off subfloor, this tool handles the switch without missing a beat. I have shared Amazon links to these oscillating tools in the description below, so make sure you check the latest deals. If this list saved you from buying the wrong tool, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world gear breakdowns. And drop a comment telling me what's sitting in your tool bag right now. I will appreciate knowing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.